What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to type the text vertically in Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this Adobe After Effects first, and after that we can create the new composition over here in this composition and click OK. And after that you can start to go to this type tool like this, and as you can see, this is the horizontal type tool and it will create the text like this, horizontal. And if you would like to create the vertical, so you don't need to, let's say, create the or use the enter or space like this, you don't need to, guys. You can create it instantly and super fast. So you can go to this type tool again, click this and hold it for a while, and this will be the vertical type tool. And after that you can click this and this will be ready for use. For example, I will type vertical. Look, even without the enter or the space from your keyboard, this type tool will give you the vertical text that has been made, and it will be ready to use in any purposes. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this tips and trick, whether the vertical type tool or the horizontal type tool. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.